Second question. There was talk of China focusing on sustainability and structural adjustment. Can you please elaborate? The current economic growth model is no longer sustainable given the resource constraints we face in terms of natural resources, cheap labor, and capital. China needs to move from investment-driven and export-driven growth to domestic demand-driven economy. Domestic consumption can be boosted through increasing the buying power, such as setting the minimum wages, increasing willingness to buy, and having things to buy. Besides, the national pension coverage will increase to 100% in the next few years from the current below 30%. All retirees in the countryside and cities will be covered by the social pension. Wage growth has been running at about 16% year-on-year for migrant workers in the last few years. Income distribution inequality will be further improved by the tax reform through reducing the tax rate for low-income group. Second theme we believe is urbanization and provision of public services. To accelerate urbanization, one key issue will be the granting of urban residency rights to migrant workers that include access to basic public services such as public housing, education for their children, healthcare, and other social security schemes like the retirement protection, etc., within which public housing, or what we call the affordable housing program, is expected to be a very big theme in the next few years. Another theme is financial disintermediation. China's financial system risk is heavily concentrated in the hands of a few financial institutions, as more than 18% of external funding of the Chinese economy comes from bank loans. As a result, there is a need for diversification by further developing the capital market through corporate bonds and equities. Domestic insurance and security companies in China could be the biggest beneficiaries in our view.